there. Welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of wooden home decor in the role of wood furniture. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Home decor serves a fundamental role in shaping our living spaces, reflecting our personalities, and creating environments that foster comfort and well-being. The need for home decor transcends mere aesthetics. It is deeply rooted in our psychological and emotional needs. A well-decorated home can evoke feelings of tranquility, joy, and belonging, while also providing a sense of identity and continuity. In this context, wood furniture occupies a special place due to its timeless appeal, versatility, and intrinsic connection to nature. The desire to create a harmonious living environment often stems from the human instinct to establish a sanctuary, a personal retreat that offers respite from the chaos of the outside world. Home decor allows individuals to express their tastes, preferences, and lifestyles. It transforms a mere shelter into a home, imbuing it with character and warmth. The act of choosing colors, textures, and furnishings becomes an expression of self, enabling individuals to curate spaces that resonate with their values and aspirations. Wood furniture plays a crucial role in this process. Its natural beauty and variety make it an ideal choice for creating inviting atmospheres. Wood has a unique ability to blend seamlessly with various design styles, from rustic to contemporary, making it a versatile option for any home. The warmth of wood can soften stark lines and cold materials, adding an element of coziness that is essential for creating a welcoming environment. The tactile quality of wood invites touch, fostering a connection between the inhabitants and their surroundings. One of the most compelling aspects of wood furniture is its durability. Unlike many synthetic materials that may wear out or lose their appeal over time, well-crafted wood furniture can last for generations. This longevity not only makes it a practical investment, but also contributes to a sense of heritage and continuity within the home. Each piece of wood furniture carries its own story. Its grain patterns, knots, and imperfections tell tales of growth and resilience. This connection to nature and history can enhance the emotional value of our living spaces. Moreover, wood furniture contributes to the overall health of our homes. Natural materials like wood have been shown to improve indoor air quality by absorbing excess moisture and releasing it when needed. This regulatory function can create a more comfortable living environment, reducing issues related to humidity and allergens. Additionally, wood has a lower environmental impact compared to synthetic materials, making it a more sustainable choice for eco-conscious consumers. The use of responsibly sourced wood supports sustainable forestry practices and helps preserve natural ecosystems. The aesthetic versatility of wood furniture allows for endless possibilities in home decor. Whether one prefers the rustic charm of reclaimed wood or the sleek elegance of modern designs, there is a wooden piece to suit every taste. The range of finishes available, from natural oils to painted surfaces, further enhances this adaptability. This flexibility means that wood furniture can evolve with changing trends and personal preferences, making it a timeless choice that can easily transition through different decor styles over the years. In addition to its aesthetic and functional qualities, wood furniture also has the power to influence our mood and behavior. Studies have shown that natural materials can have a calming effect on individuals, promoting relaxation and reducing stress. The presence of wood in our living spaces can evoke feelings of connection to nature, which is especially important in urban environments where green spaces may be limited. This biophilic design principle emphasizes our innate affinity for nature and highlights how incorporating natural elements into our homes can enhance our well-being. Creating a cohesive decor theme involves thoughtful consideration of how different elements work together to create a unified look. Wood furniture serves as an anchor in this process, providing a foundation upon which other decorative elements can be built. The warm tones and rich textures of wood complement various color palettes and materials, allowing for creative layering that adds depth and interest to a space. By integrating wood pieces into their decor, individuals can achieve a balanced aesthetic that feels both intentional and inviting. Furthermore, the craftsmanship behind wood furniture often reflects a commitment to quality and artistry that resonates with consumers seeking authenticity in their home decor choices. Handmade or locally sourced wooden pieces carry an intrinsic value that mass-produced items lack. The unique characteristics of each piece, its grain, finish, and design, tell a story that connects the owner to the maker and the material itself. This appreciation for craftsmanship fosters a deeper understanding of the items we choose to bring into our homes, encouraging mindfulness in our consumption habits. As trends in home decor continue to evolve, there is a growing movement towards minimalism and simplicity. In this context, wood furniture stands out as an ideal choice due to its inherent beauty and ability to convey warmth without overwhelming a space. Minimalist design emphasizes functionality and clean lines, and wooden pieces can seamlessly integrate into this aesthetic while still providing character and charm. The balance between form and function that wood furniture offers aligns perfectly with contemporary design philosophies focused on decluttering and creating serene environments. The role of wood furniture extends beyond individual pieces. It encompasses the entire experience of living in a space. The arrangement of furniture affects how we interact with our environment and with one another. Thoughtfully placed wooden tables encourage gathering for meals or conversations, while comfortable wooden chairs invite relaxation and leisure. The layout of our homes influences our daily routines and social interactions, highlighting the importance of selecting furniture that not only looks good but also enhances our quality of life. Incorporating wood furniture into home decor also provides opportunities for personalization. Many homeowners choose to customize their wooden pieces through stains, paints, or upholstery options that reflect their individual style. This customization process allows for creative expression while ensuring that each piece feels unique and meaningful within the context of the home. Whether it's an heirloom piece passed down through generations or a contemporary design chosen for its aesthetic appeal, wooden furniture can be tailored to fit seamlessly into any decor scheme. As we navigate through modern living challenges, such as remote work, family dynamics, and evolving lifestyles, the importance of creating functional yet beautiful spaces becomes increasingly evident. Wood furniture provides practical solutions for storage, organization, and multi-purpose use without sacrificing style. For example, wooden shelves can serve as both storage solutions and decorative displays, showcasing cherished items while keeping clutter at bay. Similarly, wooden tables can adapt to various functions, from dining to workspace, demonstrating the versatility that is essential in today's homes. Ultimately, the need for home decor is rooted in our desire for connection, both with ourselves and with others. Our homes are reflections of who we are, serving as canvases upon which we paint our lives' stories. Wood furniture not only enhances these narratives through its beauty and functionality, but also connects us to nature and the craftsmanship behind each piece. As we continue to seek comfort, authenticity, and sustainability in our living environments, wood furniture will undoubtedly remain an integral part of home decor. In conclusion, the significance of home decor goes beyond mere visual appeal. It encompasses emotional resonance, psychological well-being, and personal expression. Wood furniture plays an essential role in this dynamic by providing warmth, durability, versatility, and a connection to nature. As we navigate the complexities of modern life, creating spaces that reflect our values and foster connection becomes paramount. Through thoughtful selection and integration of wood furniture into our homes, we can cultivate environments that nurture our spirits while also celebrating the beauty of craftsmanship and the enduring allure of natural materials. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay